once, many people ask me, once kya many times they ask me, do you tell students about notes making in class? They should make notes. I never tell students to make notes. People ask me, do you support notes should be made by student? I say yes. Yes, I think notes making are beneficial for you. But I never tell this in class. Now let me tell you what's the reason. Because when a student make notes, they copy everything written in book in their note. They make a new book after 5 months. In 5 months, they will read one NCERT and they will prepare their own book where everything is written in detail. So from a student, they convert themselves into authors. How many of you have experienced this? Then they will make notes. Now I have seen a student, the most funny thing, they highlight their own notes. When you have to highlight it, why you wrote the rest of information? How many of you have done this or seen a student highlighting their own notes? What is the purpose of note making? When you have to highlight it your book only. Now let me tell you why students do this. Students do this because they have no confidence in themselves. They think they will not remember this, they will not remember that, they will not remember this, and they will not remember that. In that case, notes becomes useless because it is as much as book itself. And the syllabus of UPSC is so much that in the last weeks, last months, last day of the exam, unable to revise anything, unable to retain it. And they have to search from their own notes what they have to remember. Pehle to tell me how many of you agree with this diagnosis. Now let me tell you what is the solution. Ab solution kya hai? So imagine a situation, you are taking an exam, you are sitting in exam, and you don't know the answer of question. Kuch nahi pata. And I am your friend and neighbor, and I brought 2 chits with me. Chit suna hai? Which you take in your exam, farre. In North India they call it farre. Chit in exam. First I passed you 1 chit, and that chit is as you write your notes. For example, home rule. So you got the chit and you saw 2 pages, both the sides written only on home rule. Ab usme kahani, it starts from a story. During World War I, Indians had nationalism and therefore against British there was an anger. We were supporting British in war, but British were not ready to give. Therefore, Indian leaders died. Sari kahani usme li. And you have to read both the pages to understand what is information. So by the time you are searching the chit, invigilator grabbed you from your collar, threw you out of the exam. Now imagine second situation, I give you another chit. In that chit it is clearly written, Home Rule Movement, 1916. Started by Annie Besant and Tilak, aim to demand home rule after war. September 1916, Home Rule League Maharashtra under Tilak. April 1916. September 1916, Home Rule under Annie Besant in Madras. Declined by 1980, renamed to Swaraj Sabha. Tell me during exam, which chit will you prefer? First one or second one? Okay. Now, the reason is, it's easy for you to revise. Ab in exam, how many of you think you will search all or you will write all the needed lines by yourself that during World War Indians were angry and therefore, how many of you think if I give you this information, you will be able to write a good answer? Now, it's examiner. Imagine 2 copies. I give you 2 copies to evaluate. One has all the story of Home Rule League except these information which I told. And 1 copy do not analyze the answer better, but have all this key information in it. You will give marks to the copy which has everything except the keywords, and a copy which has keyword and not the good analysis. Everyone will provide answer to the copy which has keyword. make your notes as if you have to make chit in your exam. Only don't take it to exam. Make your notes as if you are making chit. The very needed information, the very needed keyword. And when you will revise them, first thing, it will ensure that your answers will have these information. You will not miss out on information. And second, it will be easy for you to revise it. Third, it will give you substantial revision. It will save your time to make notes. You will be able to revise entire of your syllabus on eve of exam, rather than the rubbish story students write. I have seen the notes of students bigger than NCERT. NCERT तो notes में लिखा है. अब गांधी जी, मतलब महात्मा गांधी, तो he is writing Gandhi is a great nationalist leader of it. मतलब a student of India has to mention this. Tilak, he is one of the most important pre-Gandhian leaders. Won't you remember this? In college, when your neighbor tells you single keyword, एक keyword, you write 500 words answer. How many of you have done this? एक झलक में गागर में सागर भर देते हैं. On a single glimpse, we used to write all the answer. बताओ तो क्या है? Just give an idea. ये भी नहीं पूछते थे exact keyword. भाई idea बता दे क्या है क्या. तो he said it is about, बोल दिया HTTP के बारे में लिखना है. शुरू हो गया HTTP. पता ही नहीं क्या है. I wrote everything. So likewise, believe in you. Believe that you will remember. Generally, students do this only because of lack of confidence. They wrote or they make the notes which they themselves don't remember. The reason is it is a story, no keyword, nothing. सब फालतू की बातें इधर उधर की. Nothing relevant. Always write the needed information. Needed keyword. Never ever write the stories. Because you will have the ideas. If I tell these keywords to someone who don't know what is home rule movement, who never read it, even he will make an idea. The aim is to demand home rule after war, started by Tilak any basic, and inspired by Irish home rule, and created 2 home rule leagues, and renamed it to Swaraj Sabha. What more do you want in this? So while making notes, just remember, write as needed information, as what you want to see in your exam. Just never write sentences. Try not writing notes in sentences. Write in information, which if you pass to someone, so someone should feel. If I have to show you what I bring in class, while teaching you, so I bring this. देख लो क्या लिखा हुआ. All of you can see this. Ab now imagine I bring this thick notebook in class. So now you are seeing that sir is searching for information. Wait, let me teach you Wavell plan. Wait. Page ही नहीं मिला. उसमें लिखा हुआ है Wavell plan. Lord Wavell was Governor General of India and therefore he thought that Indian deserves something. Sir खुद ही पन्ने पलट रहे. Sir cannot find where it is written. Students are laughing. Sir मिले तो बताना. Sir, when you get the Wavell plan, just tell me, wake me up. So instead, I want a quick glimpse. If I forget something, date or heading, I believe that I will remember. Now, I don't expect that you will remember only by seeing the heading because you are a student. At least only the needed information. How many of you understood? And bhaiya, if you cannot make notes like this, no need to make notes. You will be better off not making the notes. Because anyhow you don't have to revise it. Revise तो उस केस में नहीं कर पाओगे. So at least in that case, if you will not make notes, instead of making notes like this, you will read more. देखो how preparation goes off track. You started making notes of NCERT. You copied entire book. It took 4 months. And then you calculated कि 1 NCERT in 4 months. It means per year 3 NCERTs. And there are 54 NCERTs, so you divided 17 years. So you need 17 years. So 2038 is the year when you will end NCERT. अब आप खुद बताओ. tell me yourself when a student calculate 2038 to complete his NCERT. What will happen to his confidence? What will happen to his self? समझ में आई बात? देखो जीनियस लोगों की बात नहीं हो रही. When student says 6-7 days we can read NCERT twice. Read तो you can read it by a single glance. ऐसे पेज यो कर दो फर as we play. क्लास में नहीं टाइम वेस्ट करने में. क्रिकेट मैच होता था, ओपन दिस पेज तो 6 आया 4 आया. तो likewise you can do. At least take 2 weeks to read one NCERT. Whatever name, date, place or some key topic, write that only. अब खिलाफत मूवमेंट पे नोट्स बनाने हैं तो आई कैन स्टार्ट एंड एंड आफ्टर 10 पेजेस. पूरी बुक लिखी. यू विल से आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वॉर ड्यू टू मिसट्रीटमेंट ऑफ खलीफा. खिलाफत कमिटी में मेथड नॉन कोऑपरेशन. मेन लीडर्स अली ब्रदर्स, हजरत मोहानी, मौलाना आजाद एटसेट्रा. allied itself with non-cooperation. Declined in 1923 as Turkey ended Khilafat. Khilafat Committee abolished 1920. How many of you will be able to write this a good answer if I give you this much information? वरना तो फिर शुरू हो जाओ. In Turkey there was a Khalifa and the Khalifa was a great man and therefore we all revere him. What to tell about Khalifa? Khalifa is really great. I really appreciate Khalifa. And sometimes I think I should also go to Turkey to meet Khalifa. But there is no Khalifa. अब बनाओ यही notes, लिखो कहानी. And then search your own notes. Take time waste as I am doing in class. So generally I don't tell all this. I don't discuss all this in class because I think there are senior faculties to discuss all these things non-academic. But then sometimes I become emotional and I discuss. Sorry for wasting the time. लिखो भाई.